guys, it's your girl Prisha. I make vlogs and beauty related content here on YouTube, and if that is something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you stay notified every time I upload a new video. For today's video, I created this super badassy look with bold lips and a lot of drama in here because we're in the middle of a pandemic and we ain't got nothing to do. So let's go and do some makeup. And now that this intro has already been too long, let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna begin with our moisturizer, and I'm gonna use the Dr. Belmer's moisturizer. It's the facial hydrant. So I'm just gonna take some on my hand and apply it on my face. I really like this moisturizer. It's good for any kind of season. So as always, we're gonna begin with our eyes, and for today I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. So I'm just gonna prime my lids using the Elegirl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Pure Beige. Next I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Sandalwood right here. So I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm taking the shade Sandalwood, as I just said, dusting up the excess, and I am just very randomly going through my crease. This is also gonna, just start creating the depth and also set your concealer. I purposely did not set it because I want maximum pigmentation. Next I'm gonna go ahead with the shade Henna right here. Now I'm not gonna dip my entire brush right into it. I'm just gonna dip the lightest end right like this, and I'm gonna take it in an angle upwards. Okay, it's gonna lift up my eye, and you're gonna get why I'm saying that. Okay, so just take it halfway like this, look down, and then pull it out like that, like a faux liner but a very thicker one. Alright, don't worry, we're gonna blend this all, but just flick it outside. Get it halfway, not completely inside, halfway right here. Next I'm gonna go ahead with the color Cocoa. It's like a proper chocolate brown kind of color, and again you want to look down. Always look down because it gives you a larger space to work on. And then I'm directly on the outer corners, just patting the color right like this, like that. Okay, and then you slowly want to start moving it in circular motions. Take it a little bit inside to create that curve and start blending it. Now you see this is a patch right here. We will blend it, don't worry, but how you want to blend it is in flicking outward motions like so. So next, on a teeny tiny brush like this is the PAC 092. I'm gonna take the black shade right here. It's called Black Truffle. You want to take the tiniest amount because if you're using this palette, the black is very intense. Dust off the excess and then lightly just touch it on your outer corner like so. Once you have deposited the color, start blending it a little upwards yahan tak and towards your inner corner. Inner corner in the sense yahan pe on your lower lash line. Halfway through till here and yahan tak, and then start blending it in circular motions. Now once that's done, you want to go back into your concealer. थोड़ा सा ऐसे हाथ पे लेना है. Don't pull out extra product. जो थोड़ा बहुत बचा है, take that only. Take your brush and carve out your crease, but it's not going to be a strong cut crease. बस थोड़ा सा ऐसे clean करना है. Okay, so just take a little bit ऐसे and then carve out your crease very lightly, half. ठीक है. Now अगर इस पे कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट है, remove it out completely, and ये जो भी कंसीलर है ना, इसको you have to pull down. So flick it down like this and down, like this and down. Now once you've made that, you have an idea कि if you cut crease कहाँ cut करनी है. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with a lighter concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand. एक shade light है. and I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand. Directly मत जाओ, it's gonna make a chaos and जो भी मेहनत किया ना सब waste चली जाएगी, ठीक है. And then I'm gonna take the same brush, dip it in, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके कंसीलर देना. You can always build up अगर कम है, पर एक बार ज़्यादा हो गया उसको हटाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Okay, now it's not gonna be a usual cut crease जैसे हमेशा ऐसे हाफ करके छोड़ देते हैं and then blend. No, we're gonna create a oval kind of shape right here, and then उसमें we will fill in a potent color, a very nice pigmented orange color. Okay, एकदम ऐसे चटकता पटकता orange नहीं, because it will not go with our vibe. So just अभी अपने पास एक idea आ गया है कि कहाँ से करना है, right? So with the same color, start like this and turn your brush into circle. That's it. You see this shape? Half heart on the upper side, same that way. Alright? Now we have drawn it, okay? Now we have a proper outline. You can आराम से go and fill this entire thing. अब ये जो outline बनाया है ना, इसके अंदर ये पूरा जो space है, you have to fill it all in with concealer. Now यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ही लेना, because अगर ज़्यादा हो गया तो you don't have more space, right? So take little and start filling it in. बीच से start करो so that एक बार एक हाथ बैठ जाएगा, and then you can go ahead. Now when you're on the edges, वो flicking motion use करना. Take the color and flick it inside. Take the color, flick it inside. Now for the orange that I told you all, I'm gonna take the Revolution X Tammy palette, this one right here, and from that I'm gonna take the orange color that you see in the middle. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this because we want full pigmentation and we just want to take a pigment on our eyes. Now this palette is a little bit chalky, to be very honest, but we're gonna make do with it. And just take the color on your eyeshadow brush and tap it just like this. Now that the cut crease is nice and filled, what I'm gonna do next is take my Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade 03 Champagne. Now with this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a very teeny tiny brush. I would recommend using nail art brushes. I don't have them right now क्योंकि मुंबई में lockdown लग गया है and my Amazon order could not deliver. But the best thing you can do is use nail art brushes for precision. I'm gonna use this Vega lip liner brush, and I used to use this for my eyelashes glue का. तो इस पे ना glue लग गया है, so it is perfect for me now क्योंकि it will give me precision. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna outline this now with this shimmer. One more jugaad option that I can give you all is if you have any eyeliner, like pen eyeliners like this, जो सूख गया है या जो ख़त्म हो गया है, just clean it up once, maybe wet wipe या acetone or anything that you want, makeup remover वगैरह. And then once it is nice and dry, you can use this also for your outlining because see इसका nib जो होता है ना, this is very thin. So you can easily use it for such stuff. Like फेंकने क्या ज़रूरत है when you can use it. Now once the struggle is done, you want to take a teeny tiny brush. You can absolutely stop here, but I am a tad bit extra. So I'm going to take the black color again, and with this I'm going to make a faux wing. So we could just going to pretend कि वहाँ पे wing eyeliner है, but वहाँ पे wing eyeliner actually नहीं है. Now I've done it on this eye. You can see it. It makes such a huge difference. Alright, so just dip your brush इतना सा, that's it. And then जहाँ पे तुम्हारा आई एंड होता है ना, वहाँ से just flick a line outside like this. अब इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा extend करते जाओ. Done. Now I am satisfied with this length. अब यहाँ से I will join it. And done. That's it. पूरा आगे तक नहीं लाना है, यहीं पे स्टॉप हो जाना है, मतलब वो ऐसे थोड़ा सा ऐसे elongated इफेक्ट देता है. सो वी ऑलमोस्ट डन. इनफैक्ट पूरा ही हो गया है. नाउ वी हैव टू डू द बेस, बट बिफोर दैट ये देखो ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. यू हैव टू क्लीन दिस. ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन टेक योर ईयरबड्स, उसमें थोड़ा सा माइसलर वाटर लेके यू कैन क्लीन इट. आई एम यूजिंग अ मेकअप वाइप. आई नो वाइप्स आर नॉट एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली, वी आर ऑल अगेंस्ट इट, बट अब जो खरीदे हुए हैं उनको तो यूज़ करना ही है ना. दैट इज़ वाई आई एम जस्ट गोना पुट माई फिंगर लाइक दिस. And don't forget कि eyeliner है, उसको तबाह नहीं करना है. Just keep it like this and done. That's it. Alright you guys, so the lashes are on. I have used the Twinkle lashes from Kingdom of Lashes and I used the Pack Lash Glue. I'm gonna quickly go do my base off camera and get started with my lips and all of that. But if you want to know how I do my base, I will link my base routine in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Now for the base routine, I have done the exact same thing. सिर्फ इतना change किया है कि वहाँ पे I have used the Super Stay foundation, which is a full coverage foundation, and today I used a medium coverage foundation, which is the Fit Me foundation. Alright. उसके अलावा everything is the same. Also, I'm going to change the blush color because we are going all, in the earthy tones, all neutrals. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild color icon brush. This is in the shade Apricot in the middle. I have not used this. However, I am disappointed by the fact that इसमें बहुत shimmer है. Like ऐसे particles नहीं है, but it has a nice sheen. It's good for people who have clear skin, but for me, I do have a little bit of texture. However, doesn't mind. We're gonna try this today. I'm gonna apply it just like I usually would. I'm gonna start from here. Alright, the shade is really pretty. It's a very nice and neutral blush. I wish it did not have sheen though. But yeah, I like the pigmentation on this. It is not too pigmented and it is not ekdam hi gaya guzra. I like it. I'm gonna quickly set my base using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. Just when my base is not completely set with the makeup fixer, it's a little bit damp, I'm gonna go ahead with my highlighter, and for today I'm gonna use the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. Now because the blush already has a little bit of sheen, I don't want to go overboard. That's why I'm using this highlighter, and we're just gonna lightly go over our highest points of the face. If you have texture, don't apply the blush, the highlighter on those areas. With the same highlighter, I'm also gonna do my inner corners. So for brows, I'm gonna be using the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Coffee. Now moving on to the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the K-Beauty Kajal in the shade Spade. While applying the kajal, I'm gonna apply it a tad bit thicker on the outer corners and then get it thinner towards the inner. And then I'm gonna lightly smudge it. I'm gonna take the PAC 383 brush. It is a brush like this, and I'm gonna use this to smudge out my kajal. Then I'm gonna take the shade Cocoa and Henna from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna take both of them on my brush and just slightly blend it with the black kajal. Now with the Lakme Iconic Mascara, I'm just gonna coat my lower lash line. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Bare Rumped Matte Lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. It's in the shade LG08. I like the brush that it comes with. It's really nice to apply, but I'm going to be applying two colors, and I'm going to be using this shade as the outer color to, line my lips, I can say, because I'm going to be creating a gradient, and hence I'm going to be using a brush for that. So I'm going to pull the color a little down like this, because then it will help me create a gradient. वरना फिर वो ऐसे एक line अलग दिखेगी. अब पूरे पे डैब नहीं करना है, सिर्फ इस इनर साइड पे, here. And remember how I told you सिर्फ corners पे लगाना है and then pull the color, तो वो already light हो चुका है. And then when you are adding this orange, it looks so pretty, gorgeous. Alright you guys, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and you all really like this badass look that I created right here. It might look a little bit intricate while looking into the video because I have explained it to you all, but trust me, when you actually do it, you will be done within like 15-20 minutes, and it's super easy. And if you all recreate it, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. With this we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.